Hey there and welcome to the channel. If you've accidentally made a purchase on Canva and you're feeling a little panicked, don't worry, you're not alone. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to request a refund from Canva, so by the end, you'll know how to handle an accidental charge confidently and get your money back as quickly as possible. Let's jump straight in. First things first, open up Canva. You can do this on your web browser or the mobile app, both work just fine, so use whichever you're most comfortable with. Let that homepage load up and take a deep breath. This process is pretty straightforward, and I'll be with you every step of the way. Now look down at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a little button or icon, usually labeled Help or sometimes Need Help, depending on which version you're using. Go ahead and click on that. If you're on mobile, it might look like a small question mark or a chat bubble. This button is sort of like Canva's digital help desk, ready to assist you. Once that help window pops up, you'll see Ask Canva or a similar prompt. This is their automated support. Here, where you'll want to type in a simple, direct question like where to request a refund, there's no need to overthink this part, just be clear about what you need. This helps Canva's support give you the right information quickly. Now watch as Canva's virtual assistant responds. This only takes a few seconds. They'll provide you with helpful links and options. The one you're most interested in here is the link to pursue a refund. Don't worry if the chatbot gives you a list, just look for the option about refund requests. Click on the link the assistant provides. You'll probably be brought to a support article, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll see a Contact Us button below. Sometimes the interface changes ever so slightly depending on updates, but usually the Contact Us link is easy to spot. It's how Canva handles specific account-related issues. Go ahead and click on that, then look for the Request for Refund option. This step is crucial because you want to make sure your request gets routed to the right team. If you accidentally click the wrong issue, don't stress, it's easy to go back and pick the proper topic. The refund request page should now open in a new window or tab, here, where you'll explain why you're seeking a refund. Be honest and specific, maybe you clicked the wrong button, or perhaps a subscription renewed by mistake. You don't need to write an essay, just a few sentences explaining the situation. This helps Canva's support staff understand what happened and speeds up the process. Remember, everyone makes mistaken purchases from time to time, so there's no judgment here. After you've filled out the form, submit your request. Now your part is just about done. Canva's support team will review your case and typically reach out via email. This might take a few hours or perhaps a day or two depending on their workload, so keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam or promotions folders just in case. And that's it, you've successfully requested a refund from Canva. Just to recap, you accessed Canva's help section, asked the virtual assistant, followed the provided link, clicked Contact Us, selected Request for Refund, clearly explained your reason, and now you'll wait for their email reply. Pretty straightforward, right? If this video helped you, please hit that like button, it really supports the channel. Drop any questions or share your experience in the comments, and if you want more simple tech solutions like this, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck with your refund.